Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Stacey and I'm just about to go into the third year of a 6-year degree. I'm studying part-time, which is why it's taking that long. I study with the Open University, and today I thought I would just do a little study with me because the day this goes out is the day that my module officially starts. So before we get started, I just wanted to first of all make an apology, two apologies. The first apology goes out to all of you, so I apologise that there was no video last week. I have had a really stressful week, a couple of weeks, and that resulted in a flare, and I had to just really, when I feel like that, I have to really focus on purely the essentials and just get through the day. So things like getting my son to school and looking after our many animals and studying and things like that. So that's why there was no video last week. It is all fine now, everything's, touch wood, going a bit better now. And another apology goes out to Lisa Jane's journey, because last video that I made, I said that the Notion template that I got was from Lisa Jane Designs. It wasn't, it was from Lisa Jane's journey, and that's probably why I couldn't find the link on Lisa Jane Designs website. So I will put, I don't know if I'll have a link by the time I edit this, but if I do I'll put it on there, but if not I'll put her Instagram in the description, and I'll try and pop it somewhere on the screen, just so that you can see where to get that Notion template, because it is really good. Yeah, so basically there's not a huge amount to update you on. I might do a video separate to this, but I'm starting a new commonplace journal. This is a lot bigger than my other one. One sec, let me grab my other one because it's always in my bag. I have it with me everywhere. So this is my usual commonplace book. You can't see it properly, I don't think. It's a lecture, I don't know how to say that word, lecture 1917, and it's the white lines one, so it looks like this. You could probably hear my chicken outside, I do apologise. She's so loud at the moment, it's like she's a needy baby or something, so just ignore. And then Alex came in, so I can't even remember where I was. And you'll hear them outside because now they're doing their collecting, Alex and Harry. Okay, so I think I was talking about my current commonplace book. If you don't know what a commonplace book is, it's basically, I think it started like with Aristotle or Socrates or someone, and then it had like another what's the word, another resurgence, if you like, in the Renaissance era. Basically lots of people, lots of important people have kept commonplace books, which are just a book that you have with you that you can write down important quotes that you hear. If you have like a thought of something, you can jot it down. If you read something, you can either put your own thoughts on it or write down copy down passages, just things like that. And it's basically something that you can just refer back to, that can give you, it just helps you learn and helps you progress, I guess. I've kept this one for ages. It's not quite, this has been more of like an everything book, and because it's so small I can fit it in even my small handbag, so this I will continue with. But I wanted one, I kind of wanted like a slightly more grown-up version, which is this one. This is just a notebook I got from Amazon. I'll link it down in the description. But it's really lovely and thick, and it's got the soft pages, which I really like. They're like a leather type feel, and it's got pocket in the back, which I like, because then I can keep little bits and bobs in there that I come across and want to stick in or don't want to stick in. The one I got is lined. I think this is college ruled, but they're quite light lines, which I like, and it's got room for a date, which I like. And another important thing for me is that it's numbered. The pages are numbered. So yeah, I'll be starting this today. Actually, I'm not going to use this for uni stuff technically, because I already keep my notes. But if something comes along on my course, because I have similar interests outside of my degree, to do with trauma and childhood and things like that, if something that I come across overlaps or anything, and is something I feel like I need to look into a bit more, I will be popping it in here. But generally it's more for, like, I do a lot of non-fiction reading, research, things like that, but also just self-progression, if you like. This is a B5 size. It definitely comes in A5 and A4. I think it even comes in a bit smaller as well. So, and it was only like, I think it's on offer at the moment for £11.99 or £11 something, which is super cheap. It's really thick. There's loads of pages, so it'll take me forever to get through it. And the paper's really good quality as well, so I'm really pleased with this. So I'll be starting that today, and I have another one exactly the same coming, because I've decided to start keeping a memory journal. I already journal, and it's over there, so I'm not going to grab it, but Alex got me one of these as an early Christmas present, and it's just a little like a mini photo printer, and you can get the little how cute is that? You can get the little, print them out, and then it's sticky, so I can stick photos in. I'm someone who loves to kind of scrapbook, and I've got lots of like photo albums that are kind of a mix between a photo album and a scrapbook and things like that. So it's something that I do already. I usually do it with, print everything out with free prints, but yeah, he got me this. That's the box, and it came with some stickers, circle stickers and rectangle stickers, so that will get me started. So yeah, that's going to be like an ongoing project alongside. So if you want to hear a little bit more about that, and then how I plan separately, I'm happy to do a video on that. I think I've already told you guys, but I currently use Happy Planner, and it's something that I'm feeling really creative at the moment. So I'm really enjoying kind of the creative planner experience, but also I'm doing a lot of like painting, watercolors. I've bought a colouring book as well. I'm into my knitting stuff. Like I'm feeling really, I don't know if it's the season or just the season of life that I'm in, but I feel like I'm trying to get more off screens and more into just taking my mind away from everything for a bit. So, and I'm finding it really beneficial. Anyway, that's plenty of talking, and I will get on with, I've just got a few little bits to do. I've got a couple of bits of reading to do, which I've downloaded onto I've downloaded my book, my reading material, onto my iPad here, so I can do everything on here, write it down, make notes on here, and then I can actually do a search on certain words, and I'm finding that really easy at the moment. So I'll do that. I've got a couple of bits of reading to do and a couple of bits of online learning to do, just to finish up the current week, and that's it. Okay, so I know that was just a little quick one, but it was something that I got distracted on, and I wanted to just go over it again. I am trying really hard this block, I guess, to do little and often, because then if I need to go, if I don't remember something, or if I'm struggling with something, or if I get distracted, I know I can just go back like I just did, go over something, make sure I fully understand it, and I do. So it's currently working. I know this is a bit all over the place, but I will definitely be doing some more videos. I know that a couple of people have asked for day in the life or week in the life, so I'm going to try and film one or both of those this week, now that we've started. As of when you're seeing this, my module starts, so yeah, I will try and get something like that done. It's been a bit tricky because with everything that's been going on personally, we've been here, there and everywhere. Nothing is normal right now, I guess. So hopefully this coming week is going to be our first normal week in a while. So yeah, fingers crossed I can get all that done, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much to everybody who comments, likes, subscribes, interacts in any way. Thank you for all the lovely comments. I've had some really lovely comments recently, and I'm really pleased with that. It made me quite emotional sometimes, some of the things that you all say, so thank you so much. And I will see you all again next week. So thank you, take care, bye.